Healthy Forever presents Honey, Lemon, and Olive Oil Face Mask. Every woman wants glowing skin. Beauty brands use this fact to promote miracle products that promise us youthful and radiant skin within seconds. I have sensitive and acne-prone skin, and over the years I have tried endless products that were supposed to improve its condition. While some of them helped me keep those annoying breakouts at bay, some irritated my skin and made it look worse. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips and smash the like button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. That's when my mom suggested I try honey, lemon, and olive oil face mask. I was a bit skeptical at first as I don't even like honey, but then I thought to myself, why not? Oh, I'm so glad that I listened to my mom. Mums are always right, as the mask has left my skin feeling fresh, cleansed, and moisturized. All three ingredients are natural, so my skin is behaving well and I hardly ever get new spots. How to make honey, lemon, and olive oil face mask. Honey is a natural antioxidant and antibacterial agent. Lemon is the source of vitamin C and alpha-hydroxy acids, which remove dead skin and have skin lightening properties. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, especially vitamin A and E. It prevents skin aging, hydrates the skin, and maintains its elasticity. Honey, lemon, and olive oil mask is super easy to make. If you haven't tried it before, here is how to make it. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of honey. I prefer to use Manuka honey, but you can use whatever you have in your kitchen. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix all ingredients together and apply the mask all over the clean face. Leave the mixture on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. P.S. Don't forget to keep your hair away. The mixture is really sticky. Have you tried honey, lemon, and olive oil mask before? How did you get on with it? If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.